Okay guys, so I'm just making this intro because I didn't make an intro for the video that you're about to watch, but basically I did like a little tour of my empty house when I got it, like before any work was done or anything. So I'm gonna include that, and then I'm gonna also include some montage footage of like things I've done to the house so far and that kind of thing. A lot of the stuff that's been done to the house I haven't actually been here for because someone comes over and does it while I'm not here. So some things I haven't caught on camera, unfortunately, but I figured I live for these kind of videos, so I'm sure everybody else does too. I love seeing people do work to their house. So whatever footage I have, I'm just going to include it, and I'll probably have more footage at some point because my house isn't done yet. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I just wanted to throw this little intro in to explain what this video is instead of just throwing it up and it not making any sense. But go ahead and keep watching, and yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will hopefully have a finished house tour real soon. Not soon enough, but soon.
So here is my garage. It obviously, my whole house needs pressure washed, but here obviously this is like where I park. My back porch, like I said, everything needs cleaned and like washed down, but here is the back porch. Sorry, my tripod is dead, so I can't even use it to film this, but here is the back. All of this stuff will be gone. I'm actually think I'm going to keep this, but repaint it and make it really nice. So yeah, we're going to do that later on. Into the back door. This is the little entryway. Eventually I think I'm going to put some built-ins here. So this is obviously like where you'll take off your shoes and everything. I've got stuff everywhere just because I haven't moved in, and I've taken things into the house to work and that kind of thing. So there's kind of stuff everywhere, the paint, shelves, you name it, it's everywhere. So this is the kitchen that you enter off of the entryway. So there's that. Some old appliances. I gotta get a new hood eventually with a microwave and that kind of thing, and I took the things off of here to clean them, but so those are over in the sink. And this is the only problem area in the house that is major that really needs fixed. The cabinets aren't loose or anything, but I have to definitely get that fixed. It's from where there was a water line bust years ago, and they never fixed it, so I've got to fix that now. Some more shelves here and cabinets. My laundry over here, so that's an extra little thing. Eventually, later on down the line, I think I'm going to take these cabinets out and put them on this wall and make this either close it off and make it a half bath, or a breakfast nook, and then move the laundry elsewhere. But for now, it's staying there. So as we exit the kitchen, this is the living room. I'm tearing up all of this flooring, so that will all be gone. It just needs tore up. There's some, like, you can see there's some blemishes and things, so I'm tearing up this flooring and replacing it. So yeah, that's the living room. Like I said, there's stuff everywhere from us fixing it. This was all carpet and we tore it all out. So I'm replacing this, putting carpet on this, so this will all be fixed eventually. Okay, as we get to the top of the steps, this is the little landing up here. Little tiny window. We tore up this carpet also, so this was what was underneath. I'll also be replacing that and putting carpet. And then this is my bathroom. lots of cleaning to do and lots of painting and a lot of everything to do in this room, but at least it's pretty small, so you know, not tons of work. This is the flooring that we are replacing this floor with. So that will probably be done today, maybe. I'm not 100% sure. Cleaning this, and as you can see, there's a little bit of like some like rust color going on. So we're cleaning that, replacing this because it's kind of rusted also. Painting the whole bathroom because it's pretty small, so I think I'm gonna do white walls just to brighten it up. Here is the vanity area. I'm gonna have doors made for this because I hate being able to see the pipes and stuff. So I'm gonna have doors made for that, just because I can't afford to replace the whole vanity right now. So yeah, we're gonna just get some doors for that and paint it and make it look nicer. So there's a little window in here. Not really much to see in here. Eventually I want to replace this toilet because it's small and just kind of like awkward. And yeah, so you can see the floor is like lifting. There's some shelf space there, which is kind of nice. So once you come out of the bathroom, there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. That will be my bedroom, and this will be like my closet beauty room. So we can go in here. We tore up this carpet also yesterday, and it's got some old funky pattern floor in here. So I'll be painting all of these walls, and obviously replacing the floor. And you can see it's got 2 little windows in here, and this closet, which I'm gonna be replacing that door because that door was fine when there was carpet in here, but now that that's like not as level, the door like fell off the track. So I'm replacing that door, as well as I'm gonna replace all the doors in all the rooms because they're just kind of like they're like hollow and just kind of just like janky really. So I'm gonna replace those. This will be my room, as you can see. Oh, I don't have the lights. I have just the fans on. This will be my room. As you can see, I'm redoing the floors in here also. 2 pretty big windows in here. Move back here. So there's 2 closets in here. As you can see, the big one, and then there's, do I have the light on in here? Let me see. Yeah. Not very bright. I need to replace these lights too. But this is just a little like linen closet. Kind of awkward, but I kind of like it also. And then these doors on this closet need replaced, but just a little closet here. A nice little window. I think I'm gonna kind of make this into like a little like reading nook or something. But for now, it all works. So that's pretty much it for the upstairs. Okay, so this is the front of the house. Major gardening work needs done. Please don't mind all the carpet that's on there that we tore out. Need to clean up the garden space. I have this tree that either needs cut down or trimmed back. And then this is my little tiny yard. But will be much bigger, you know, once I can get like the garden stuff out. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. I gotta tear out this bush, get rid of all this stuff, but yeah, that's the front.